A single daily check of your health can prevent troubles before they even begin. Or how to set up health AI agent for the whole family. But before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to the channel, it will help a lot. Step 1. Choose one single reliable metric that you can monitor every day. It could be heart rate or sleep duration. For example, drastic, sudden, unexplainable rise of heart rate could be an early warning signal, bigger problems. Or sustainable sudden change of sleep can be a warning signal too. So you are not playing a doctor, you're just trying to quantify the gut feelings. When you collect this data, you need to analyze it. And my advice to prioritize on-device analysis, for example, with help of Apple Health Kits or some open source app, which can provide analysis of your raw data on the device and not on the cloud, because if you're using cloud analysis, your raw data can be a base of training for companies' AI. Only anonymized and pretty limited information can be analyzed on the cloud. And it's not about paranoia, it's about safety and building a trust. And finally, you should create an alert system. So AI can only warn you about something, but actual steps can be taken by human. For example, my mom's smartwatch showing that she has irregular heart rate. Send an SMS with alarm to my smartphone and schedule the call to her. Or if my dad's smartwatch showing stable rising of heart rate by 10% or 10 BPM, longer than 3 days in a row, organize a call and send alarm to my watch. So you are creating early warning system that could help you to avoid many troubles in the future.